A pendulum on the moon that is 50 centimeters long has a period of 3.5 seconds. What is the acceleration of gravity on the moon? Okay, now we're solving for g. So t is 2 pi square root of L over g. We're trying to solve for g. It cannot be solved for. Okay, I think our next step is t over 2 pi squared is L over g. Okay, now we're solving for g, so g is equal to L times 2 pi over t squared. Is that right? Let's try it. Okay, so 0.50 meters times 2 pi over 3.5 squared. I think we can do this. So 0.5 times parentheses 2 pi divided by 3.5, square that thing. I'm getting 1.61 meters per second squared. So about 1.6 meters per second squared.